So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. So nowadays we all know that AI is getting better and better, and I saw this create t-shirt designs and I wanted to check it out, and there is this plugin on ChatGPT, and so I wanted to show you all that how it works and give you my thoughts on it. So let's go. And before starting the video,
Happy New Year! If your resolution for 2024 is getting accelerated career growth along with a good salary hike, then you are at right place. If you want to do the same, you should be learning ChatGPT and AI tools and how you can integrate them for your own advantage.
so if you want you can check that out too. And now let's continue the video. I wanted to talk about ChatGPT with the Canva plugin. So there's a way that you can have Canva plugin with ChatGPT, the newest version of ChatGPT. So I wanted to show you guys that how this works and test it out and see if this is something like I thought what it would be in that type in Word in ChatGPT, and it can create text or it can totally create a new design. I'll show you how it works so you don't have to do it for yourself, because ChatGPT 4 is a paid version and I'll do all the things for you, and you can see through me how it works. So let's get into ChatGPT now, and I'll show you that where it is and then what it does. All right, so here we are on ChatGPT. You can see ChatGPT Plus is what you'll need, the original one, or the free ones you can use it, but it doesn't have the plugin option, so only the paid one is the right option if you are trying to do some experiment of this type. And once you see it, it says plugin right here. If you don't see plugins, if you already paid for it and you don't see plugins here, you are going to have to go your settings and then make sure that your beta feature is turned on. And once the plugin is turned on, so that how you'll see it, that when I first signed up I didn't see the plugins and I just needed to turn that on. And now you can go here and go to plugins, and you can go to plugin store. So I can turn this on here, but I can go to the plugin store and look for different things. So you just type in here Canva, boom, and you install it. So let me show you what it does. So I'm really excited at first when I saw this, because it is what I did. So I go here and you can type in ChatGPT right here and say create a t-shirt design for Halloween, boom, hit, and then you can see it's thinking about it, and it's using Canva to create a t-shirt design for you. Because I said t-shirt design, so like, oh, what plugins do we have to create? And here it goes, and I have seen these on videos for where it's like, oh, here's a t-shirt design for Halloween, which is interesting one right here. Now it's looking for some other stuff and it takes a while, and it does another one right too. It does a bunch. I think it's going to do but what it's actually going to do is just generate generic t-shirt design. So let me do another one. Let me show you what I mean. So if we put in here, and this is what I was hoping that it would do, and maybe if, and maybe it does, will do it in the future. But what I would hoping is say create a t-shirt design for Halloween. That's let's do something that it may not have. This is a blue loney or something. No, whatever. Right now something, a phrase that would never be on a t-shirt. Let me think about it. So that's on Canva. So let's see if it's actually gonna type that for us. So I'm going to do that, and it's going to be down here. You can see so you can see it down here. You can see it has one like this one, that's a Halloween one, this is a Halloween one, and that's a Halloween one, and it's keep going. Let's see what it does when I say this is a Bologna or Bologna, and you can see it doesn't write, it just has generic stuff. And in fact, for this one didn't even say, or let's say for Halloween, that doesn't look like Halloween shirt, but it's gonna try and do it. So what's happening is, all it's doing is to take the template from the Halloween stuff. So let's go here to Canva and go to the elements, and we'll now go to designs and templates and just type in Halloween shirt, and these are the exact same other ones. And right, it showed us the one that, let's go, the one we had selected. And now let's go back, and before going ahead, I just want to have a small talk with you. Nowadays you all might know that AI is taking over the world, and in just a short span of time you have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. And I believe that you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that an AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will surely. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity, and also enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. So let's continue the video now. You can come in here and type in your own text, of course. Like if it was an edible text, I think some of them are not editable, some of them are not editable, and the ones that are editable, so just like Canvas. So Long story short, right now it doesn't work like I think we all were hoping it would work, where you can type in here and it will create a t-shirt design, and that would be AI powered. But that is not happening over here like ideogram, or it doesn't do all that type of stuff. It's just taking the data from Canva and publishing out here. So just do your search and design. If you want a Halloween shirt, type in right here and you will have it, and it's editable, and you don't have to do this back and forth between Canva. And my hope is that maybe they are putting it here for later, and we'll have to watch how AI changes all the time and gets better and better maybe in the future. That's why they're thinking about, and they're putting it in here. For now, just we have to see it as a plugin, and we'll see. But as it stands right now, I don't think it's worth to come in here and spend 20 months a buck for this plugin. So you just want this plugin on Canva is not a great plugin for ChatGPT in my opinion. So just go ahead and type it into Canva. You will just get the exact same results, but it might be a coincidence that but it might, but you might be lucky that you can get even better results just directly on Canva. And you wouldn't do, and also not coming back would and also not coming back here would save your time for this back and forth now. And one thing that ChatGPT is good for is to come up with the ideas, not graphic ideas but text ideas. So if I write something like give me 10 different Halloween t-shirt designs or Halloween t-shirt design phrases, let's try that. Maybe it won't do Canva, hopefully. Let's see if it's going to pull up Canva. I can always turn Canva off. So phrases, there you go. That's what ChatGPT is strong as, if it can get the power. Right here says 10 theme phrases, and now you use Canva to make this a t-shirt and make that a t-shirt and make that exactly what I want them. Then this would be the future for the Canva. ChatGPT a combo, but as of right now it doesn't do that, and it would not surprise me if they do that in a year or two, because how fast AI is growing right now. But we'll have to wait and see. So guys, this was the experiment that we were going to do today, but as you can see, the results are not pretty satisfied, but I believe that this would change in the next few months or a year down the line. So guys, that is it for this video. So if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like, also drop a comments if you have any doubts. Also, don't forget to subscribe Be10x, and do remember we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. You can check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.